In a small village, there lived a little Muslim boy named Adam. Adam was kind, funny, and loved sweets more than anything in the world. One sunny afternoon, Adam went to a small shop near the mosque with his mother. The shop owner smiled warmly and said, "Take your time, little brother." While his mother was buying groceries, Adam saw a colorful candy jar sitting near the counter. The candies looked delicious. Adam looked left, then right. Nobody was watching. Slowly, he took one candy and hid it in his pocket. His heart started beating fast. When they reached home, his mother noticed Adam was very quiet. "Adam, what happened?" she asked softly. Adam looked down and said, "Nothing." That night, Adam could not sleep. He remembered what his Islamic teacher once said. Even if people cannot see you, Allah can always see you. Adam felt tears in his eyes. The next morning, he ran back to the shop holding the candy in his hand. "I'm sorry," Adam said. "I took this without asking." The old shopkeeper smiled kindly. "You told the truth. Allah loves honest children." Adam felt peace in his heart for the first time. From that day on, Adam never took anything without permission again. And every time he saw candy, he remembered, Allah is always watching with love and mercy. Moral of the story: always tell the truth. Allah sees everything. Honesty brings peace to the heart. Saying sorry makes you stronger.